The much talked about topic in Bollywood, nepotism पर अब फिर से बोले राधिका आप्टे and Sonam Kapoor. This is what they had to say. Let's take a quick look.
सोनम कपूर ने बॉलीवुड में फैले नेपोटिज्म को लेकर एक बड़ा बयान देते हुए कहा है, My father didn't come from an illustrious family. He has worked in the industry for 40 years and he has worked really hard, not only for his children. And if I don't take advantage of his hard work, which he has done for us, I think that will be a little disrespectful towards his work. Because every man or a woman, a mother or a father works for their children. वहीं राधिका आप्टे ने नेपोटिज्म को लेकर हाल ही में बयान दिया. I don't like the word outsider. If I'm a director and my son wants to be an actor, why shouldn't I launch him? The industry today is a blend of both worlds. On one hand, there's Ranveer Singh, Deepika Padukone and Kangana Ranaut who were not born into a film family but have made it big. And then there are the star kids.
Basically, the whole point Sonam Kapoor is trying to make is nepotism is not only in the Bollywood and Indian film industry, it is everywhere in every profession, and it doesn't only mean कि आपको काम आपके relative के कारण मिल रहा है. Nepotism actually means getting a job through any connection, and that happens in each and every industry. She also spoke about how her father has worked hard for 40 years, and of course he will guide his children into the same industry, the same field, because that's what he knows. He's been working in that industry for so long and has been working for the children. And Sonam Kapoor says that if I don't take full advantage of my father's hard work, it's going to be unfair and disrespectful towards him.
I don't know how disrespectful, but definitely अगर आपके पास पकी पकाई information है आपके घर में, somebody has worked for years in that industry, तो of course आप उसको use करना चाहेंगे, and why not? I mean, of course, kids in a medical household know better कि भाई कैसे crack करते हैं, कैसे पढ़ाई करते हैं, or like you mentioned that if you are from aviation background, how it just helps you to understand or go after that profession.
चाहे वो lawyer हो, teacher हो, कोई भी दूसरा profession हो, if there is someone in the family who's been working there, they will obviously guide you how you can get through.
Absolutely, but here comes the unfair advantage that only the Bollywood get and nowhere else, and that is why nepotism in Bollywood is a little different from the nepotism in any other industry. क्योंकि यहाँ पर if there is a slot, if there is a debut opening, if there is a character that has to be looked at, वो opening सबके लिए नहीं खुली हुई, and it's not based on talent. You will not be auditioned for that. You will never know that there's an opening like that. You will never have that contact. Only Bollywood contacts or kids would know कि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है, and of course they will be considered. It will be logged. The next thing you know, they're already launched, and while the other kid is still waiting in a line. वहीं राधिका आप्टे actually said कि she said, I love the fact that in Hollywood you could be anybody, but you have to go to a drama school. You have to learn the skills, और उसके बाद आपको casting directors के पास line में लगकर अपने role के लिए audition देना है. It's the same thing for everybody. पर वही राधिका आप्टे definitely accepts कि अगर वो director होती तो वो definitely अपने बेटे को as an actor जरूर launch करती और cast भी करती. But यहाँ पर we've heard people who do not agree with that. We've heard in the case of Abhishek Bachchan जिन्होंने खुद कहा था कि मेरे father एक ऐसी situation में थे where every big actor was launching their star kid, but not my dad, because वो एक बहुत ही difficult conversation हमारे बीच में जो नहीं हुआ तब, and he realized because he is in such a big powerful position, वो अपने बेटे को launch नहीं कर सकते.
जी, और कई ऐसे actors हैं, mega stars हैं जो अपने बच्चों को before putting them in front of the camera wants their children to actually see and experience what happens behind the camera. So normally we see a lot of people like Varun Dhawan, Ranbir Kapoor, Farhan Akhtar. They have all assisted directors. They know what exactly happens behind the scenes, and then they went on to be actors. तो वो अपनी अलग-अलग journey है. But what Radhika Apte said and what I agree on is the pay parity thing what she discussed. जहाँ पर उन्होंने कहा कि अगर एक सलमान खान brings a 2 crore business to a film and I don't even contribute bringing 100 crore to a film, तो obviously Salman Khan will get paid more than me, and I don't even want to fight that. I don't even want to contest that. लेकिन जहाँ पर pay parity होती है कि lead एक्टर जो होता है उनके मॉम और डैड का रोल जो प्ले कर रहे हैं, वहां पर भी पे डिस्पैरिटी है, जहां पर डैड को ज्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं और मॉम जो प्ले कर रही है उन्हें थोड़े कम मिलते हैं. तो दैट शुड स्टॉप, एंड दैट इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट व्हिच नॉट मेनी पीपल हैव पुट फॉरवर्ड. पीपल टॉक अबाउट ओनली पे पैरिटी बिटवीन द लीड एक्टर एंड एक्ट्रेसेस, बट यहाँ पर जो पीछे बिहाइंड द सीन्स चल रहा है, देयर आर रोल्स हु डू नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट इन डू नॉट कंट्रीब्यूट मच इन ब्रिंगिंग दैट बिग बिजनेस टू यू. वहां पर पे पैरिटी बंद होनी चाहिए.
Absolutely.